The story of Dana Abbott, 7th degree black belt, could be the plot of a martial arts action movie. As a young man from Arizona, he dreamt of learning swordsmanship and set off for Japan to follow the same path as the samurai warriors from centuries past. He studied under the world's premier masters to emerge decades later as a master of discipline in his own right. Dana Abbott graduated from Arizona State University in 1978, earning a degree in geography. Upon this momentous event in his life, he decided to use this knowledge in the best way possible. He leaped on his horse and ventured out into the world, seeking new adventures in exotic lands, while in search of his destiny. Prior to his dream of learning Japanese swordsmanship, he started off traveling the Americas. He then proceeded to Europe, Africa, and Asia, where he experienced many wild adventures. He hiked mountain trails on Everest, explored jungles in the Congo, navigated the Silk Road, crossed deserts on camelback, skied the Arctic Circle, fished the waters of Scandinavia, piloted the rivers of China, and ran with the bulls in Pamplona. From skydiving to scuba diving, Dana Abbott accomplished everything an adventurous spirit could hope for. But there was still this lingering innate desire that kept calling to him, and that was to learn the art of swordsmanship. Dana Abbott eventually landed in Tokyo and began immersing himself into Japan's culture through the Way of the Samurai. After several years, his name began to be recognized and respected, not only by famous Japanese swordsmen, but leaders in Tokyo's business world. This led to a period of his life where he became a Japanese salaryman, retained by Marubeni, one of Japan's biggest global conglomerates. His presentations changed employees' preconceptions, and his workshops helped simplify complex issues, thus creating team unity. Just before the turn of the century, Dana Abbott returned to the United States and founded a complete new niche in the martial arts industry. In addition, he is the inventor and patent holder of the Action Flex product line used in schools throughout the world. He has also authored 5 books and has been inducted into several well-known institutions, such as the Black Belt Hall of Fame. His mission now is to share his valuable knowledge and insight with you,